Today I am unboxing the Demonia boot Swing-230 in the color Purple Halo. If you like this video, please hit subscribe. Yeah, my immediate reaction to this is that it is way more purple than I thought it would be. I know the color says Purple Halo. I was picturing, I don't know, maybe like an oil slick or kind of like this, but with more of a purple sheen to it or something. They definitely look lighter purple on the internet photos, but as you can see, it's a beautiful purple. I'm very happy with it, but it is like a dark or medium purple. What was that? Like, definitely purple. The pictures don't do it justice. I really like it, but definitely not what I was picturing. So I wish I could have seen an unboxing video with these. Beautiful boot. These are calf high boots. I'll put links to where to buy these in the description, and I'll put a clip of me wearing these right now. So I don't know if it's the smallest one, but I've not adjusted the buckles. I just put it on. These are a size 10 women's. I've wanted these for a really long time. They've been in my bookmarks on my phone for a couple of years, but with the pandemic and everything, it's not like I'm going anywhere. Why do I need boots like these? Well, sometimes you just do, right? I got these on sale from shoefreaks.ca. I think with the sale, they were $180 or $183, $184 Canadian with free shipping. I know that's kind of expensive, but not really for Demonia. That's one of the reasons I kept putting off buying them, but with the sale, I figured, what the heck. If you're in the States, I think you can buy them from the Demonia website, and I'm pretty sure the price is comparable even without a sale. The reason I didn't buy from there is because I live in Canada. Sometimes you buy things from the States and you get stuck with custom fees and duties. I bought these from shoefreaks.ca, a Canadian website, so there wasn't any surprises. And again, I am super happy with these. I can't wait to wear them. It's winter right now in Canada. Not sure I'm gonna wear them in the snow, but as soon as spring comes, wearing these every day. Look at these. This style, the Swing-230, comes in so many colors. I'm not sure if it is the one that comes in the most colors. I think they have a knee-high boot that's similar with buckles that comes in a lot of colors too. But these ones come in black, like matte black, shiny black, sparkle, glow in the dark. Basically any color you want, you can get. I haven't seen anyone with these. I have seen pink ones. I have seen some pink ones. And they come in white as well. So I love purple. Very excited to wear these. I think these are great. And I love the holographic thing. So that's the video for today. If you liked it, please hit subscribe. Check out my giveaway playlist. I'll put a link on screen and in the description. I'm constantly doing giveaways on this channel, reviewing lipstick, goth fashion, and posting music videos. Thanks for watching.